Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get the secret weapon, the shotgun one. So it's so easy. Go offline or server and select Western map, and you will see you will teleport in the Western map, and you will go to the sheriff. So how to get in here? So you have to become a small so you can see the gun right here. Now if you are finished, then delete it and spawn another portal. So right here. So next you will get in the prison and you will see this shotgun under this long chair, this seat, and you will punch it and you will go to the menu and you will go to the store and you will see this. It look like a sniper, right? It look like a sniper, and it has a skin. It has a gold and this metal camo. So thank you for watching. Subscribe.